Petron Music Bot Cube. Getting started. Download the Petron app by scanning the QR code or just search for the Petron Music Bot Cube app in the Play Store or App Store. For the best experience, the minimum requirement for the Wi-Fi speed is 1 Mbps. And also, set the speaker's volume to 6 or more for optimum sound and voice command with Alexa. How to power on the speaker. To power on the Music Bot Cube, long press the power button for 3 to 4 seconds. To power off the speaker, long press the power button for 4 seconds. Pairing process. Once the speaker is powered on, long press the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. And now, select the Music Bot Cube in the available Bluetooth device list. Configuring your speaker. Open the app Petron Music Bot and now turn on the Petron Music Bot Cube and also the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of your phone. And now press and hold the push to talk or the Wi-Fi button for 4 seconds until the multiple LEDs start blinking, and then tap OK. And now select the speaker from the list. After that, you would need to sign in with your Amazon account to enable the Alexa feature. Now connect the phone and speaker to the same Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Your speaker is all set for voice control. Controls. You can change the music either with a voice command or through the app. Alexa, play next song.
Starting Bluetooth.
To increase the volume, short press the plus button, and to decrease the volume, short press the minus button. Alternatively, you can give voice command to increase or decrease the volume. Alexa, increase volume to 10. Alexa, decrease volume to 5. You can mute or unmute the speaker by short pressing the mute mic button. Voice commands. For voice commands, just say Alexa or press the push to talk button once. You can give commands like play music, listen to podcast, know the cricket score, get the live traffic updates and much more. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Starting now.
Alexa, remind me to take medicines at 9 p.m. today.
Okay, Anuj. I'll remind you at 9 p.m.
Alexa, what's the news today?
Anuj, here's your news. From India Today.
Hello, here's the latest news from India Today.
Controlling smart devices. You can seamlessly connect your Alexa device to a host of smart gadgets in your home through the Alexa app. For example, you can say Alexa, switch on the smart light, and it will turn on the smart light which you have configured. Battery backup. A single battery charge provides up to 6 hours of music playback at 80% volume and 12 hours of standby battery time. For best experience, keep the device plugged in when you don't need to carry it. It takes up to 4 hours to fully charge the device. When the device is fully charged, a voice prompt will be triggered.